In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft account using your Gmail account. We're going to guide you through this straightforward process, which should only take a few minutes of your time. First, let's start by opening the web browser of your choice. Once you have that open, type Microsoft.com into the address bar at the top and hit enter. This will take you to the Microsoft homepage. Now, when the page fully loads, keep an eye out for the Sign In button. It's typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Once you spot it, go ahead and give it a click. Now that you've clicked on Sign In, you'll be presented with an option that says No Account? Create one. This is exactly where you need to head next. Selecting this option will begin the process of setting up your new Microsoft account. Here, you'll need to enter your Gmail address. This is crucial because your new Microsoft account will be linked to this email, so make sure you type it in correctly to avoid any hiccups down the line. After entering your Gmail address, the website will guide you through the rest of the account creation process. Take your time with these next steps to ensure everything is filled out correctly. A key part of these steps is creating a strong, secure password. Try to come up with something that incorporates a good mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. This will help keep your account secure. Alongside your password, there are a few other fields that will require your attention. Information such as your name, country, and date of birth are necessary for personalizing your Microsoft experience and are essential for your account security. One important step you'll encounter is the verification of your Gmail address. You'll receive an email from Microsoft with instructions to confirm your email address. Head over to your Gmail inbox, locate the email from Microsoft, and follow the instructions provided, which usually involve clicking a link to confirm that you really have access to this email account. Once you've completed these steps and your account is verified, congratulations, you're all set. You now have a Microsoft account linked to your Gmail. At this point, you're free to manage and personalize your account further. If you like, you can add aliases, such as your Gmail address or any other email, to associate with your Microsoft account. This allows you the flexibility to sign in with different emails. And there you have it, a brand new Microsoft account using your Gmail. You're now all set to explore and enjoy the wide range of features and services offered by Microsoft. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your new account.